we're gonna go ahead and get the baked beans started. I already added 3 cans of baked beans in here. This makes 4. I'm gonna add a little bit of bell peppers and onions. And guys, these are the pork and beans, not the baked beans in the can, because these gonna be freshly baked. I'm putting them on the pit balls too, smoking the baked beans. A little bit more in there. I don't want to put it too heavy of onions and bell peppers, because you want to get all the other flavors in there too. Mix it up real good. All right, add mustard. Mix that up real good. Get it all incorporated in there. All the ingredients. Next we're going to add ketchup. And I don't know exactly how much, and just generously. Hey, you don't want to put too much in there though. Mix that up real good. Now we add some brown sugar, 1 cup. Get it mixed in there real good. Get it all evened out. So you can get that brown sugar everywhere. Now we gotta add honey. Get it mixed up real good too. Now there's a little bit of cinnamon. And a little salt. And some pepper. and get it all mixed up, and then we're gonna stick it in the fridge. All right, we're doing this baked beans. I took the rib tips, grind them up, put them in the baked beans here. Then you want to get it back out there in the smoker. Let these baked beans go for an hour. We'll be ready to eat. All right, I'm getting these baked beans on the smoker here. Still got temperature rolling at 250. We're gonna let the baked beans go for an hour. Alright, guys, here we go. We got the baked beans out right here. I'm gonna get a little taste test here. And those collard baked beans. Got that real meat in there. All the juices and flavors on the ribs. Another one for the win. Like, see more baked beans like this, like and subscribe.